Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Scottsboro local and long-distance movers near me. The process of relocating your residential or commercial home can be very daunting without a cheap Scottsboro moving company. 3 Movers has invested time and resources to ensure that we are a competitive moving company that offers world-class and dependable local, interstate, and international moving services. Our company offers the following long-distance moving services. Packing services. You don't have to be directly involved in the process of packing your goods. Let's make the process easy for you. Moving supplies. We have invested in durable and high-quality materials that ensure that your goods reach the final destination in the proper condition. An on-time move. Our movers arrive at the pre-scheduled time and pack your goods within no time. You won't have to deal with any cancellations and delays. Upfront pricing. We offer upfront price quotes to ensure that the pricing process is transparent, licensed, and insured. We adhere to a high level of professionalism, and we legally conduct all our moving services. You can trust us with your things. We offer reliable long-distance moving services to help you move to the next state over. Our moving services are quite comprehensive, and we offer a wide range of moving services. If you're ready to relocate, we can make it easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Scottsboro moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.